Hey everybody, welcome back to the Daddy-Daughter Dance channel where we use our daddy-daughter time
to teach for your daddy-daughter time.
I'm Brad the dad.
I'm Eva, and this is the second video of our Charleston series.
That's right, and what are we doing today?
Today we're working with old style.
I'm off beat. No. We're going to start in our Charleston position that we taught you in the first video. By the way, I didn't mention this we call closed position. So I'll say getting closed Charleston or such. So when we're in this position and we're doing our Charleston, okay, what you'll do is on 3 or about 3, you'll bring your daughter in front of you like this. Okay? We put our hand up. If she's shorter than you, it's okay to just grab down lower. If you need to, you can grab her hand first and then bring her in. But you don't have to do that. So, let's show them what it looks like with the Charleston. So, and back to forward, forward, and back, forward, forward, and back. So, I'm still saying my footwork, forward and back, but the daughter's is different. Do, do, do. Forward, back, forward. Now, you might got, you want to, that's all right, get back here, okay. So you won't get stuck here, because you just bring her back again. 1, 2, 3, 5, and back to the Charleston. Do, 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 do. So, but at any time, if you'd like to just start old style, you can just start this way. It's just that your daughter is going to come forward first, and that's all. So
to follow this footwork from going into from closed into old style is pretty simple, and it's just you're rotating on your left foot. So you're going to go back, and then you're going to go step with your left foot, and you're going to rotate and put your weight on your right foot again, just to go back into the Charleston. So, to make that a little simpler, so you're going to go back, twist, step, back, front.
can we do it without hands next to each other?
Sure.
Let's try that.
So, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back, step, bam, do, do, do.
We can, is the answer.
Yes. So the daughter, all she's doing is just rotating her spot in front of her dad's spot.
Okay, so that's basically the old style. There is technical sort of footwork that comes with it, and we're going to call this your challenge part. If you feel that you're getting the rest of it very well, and you guys are comfortably moving around, that was a bug, and you're comfortably moving around, old style, you get more of a little twist on the balls of your feet. So it would look like you're doing your Charleston still the same way, back, forward, forward, back, but now you add a twist with both feet, back, forward, forward, back. Always on the ball of your foot, always. Back, forward, forward, back. Now you don't do this when you're in this position, really. You don't ever, it's not, I mean you can, but it's not often you see it. But when you're in this position, this is when you would see it. And this is what they would call old style, slippery old style. Alright, cool. So, dads and daughters, thank you so much for joining us again today. If you have any questions, feel free to post a comment below. You can email us at daddydaughterdancechannel charleston@gmail.com. If you enjoyed it, hit like or subscribe.
Or subscribe to our channel.
Thank you very
Thank
much,
you.
and we'll see you in video 3 of Charleston.
Bye.
Bye.